Experiencing a processing order message, payment hold, or cart errors on DoorDash? You're not alone. These issues often stem from server overloads during peak hours, app updates introducing bugs, or regional outages. Payment holds are temporary locks to verify your transaction and prevent fraud. Cart errors can result from app cache overload or conflicts with your device's software. If your order is stuck processing, it indicates a delay in routing your order, potentially caused by a weak internet connection, app bugs, or account verification problems like an unconfirmed email or phone number. Addressing these issues promptly is key to a smooth ordering experience. Start by force closing and reopening the DoorDash app. This refreshes the connection and can resolve temporary glitches. Next, clear the app's cache and storage in your phone's settings. This removes corrupted data causing errors. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. Poor internet can cause order processing to fail. Update the DoorDash app and your phone's operating system to the latest versions. This fixes known bugs. Try using a different payment method. This can bypass card verification issues. If these steps don't work, contact DoorDash support via in-app chat or email. They can manually process your order or issue a refund. Enabling two-factor authentication can help prevent payment-related glitches and fraud.